Finding a free government tablet in 2026 can be difficult, leading to a confusing landscape of outdated information and conflicting instructions. Over the next few minutes, we're going to walk through how to organize your application so it meets the specific standards used by legitimate providers. To get started, please gather 3 physical items: a valid, unexpired photo ID, a piece of official mail from the last 30 days, and your proof of income or government benefits. Having this physical paperwork ready before you start the digital process helps you avoid the common errors that often trigger automated system flags. Your first milestone is determining which eligibility path you qualify for, as you only need to meet the requirements for one specific category. The first path is program-based, for those in assistance programs like SNAP, Medicaid, or SSI. The second path is income-based, tied to your household earnings and state, requiring a recent tax return or pay stubs to confirm your level. It is important to note that qualifying for a program is the first step, but the final result depends on the current inventory of local providers in your area. By identifying your strongest qualification path now, you ensure your application is directed to the correct processing department from the start. Once you have your documents, you need to ensure they are consistent, as even a small discrepancy in your personal data can cause an application to be flagged. The legal name on your photo ID must be identical to the name printed on your benefit award letter or your income statements. Similarly, the residential address you provide must be the exact same address shown on your recent piece of official mail. If you submit an expired ID or a benefit letter from a previous year, the system will likely reject the filing, even if the names and addresses match perfectly. Aligning your documents this way removes the most common reasons a reviewer might have for setting an application aside. Now we need to digitize your paperwork. The quality of your upload is just as important as the information on the page. For the best results, place your document flat on a dark, non-reflective surface near a window for natural light. Do not use your camera's flash. The resulting glare often covers up important text or barcodes that the provider needs to scan. Make sure all 4 corners of the document are visible in the photo. If the edges are cut off, the image may be flagged as incomplete. A clear, well-lit image allows the reviewer to verify your information quickly, whereas a blurry or cropped photo usually leads to a resubmission request. Following this protocol ensures that your documents are legible and ready for the final processing stages. The final step is finding where to submit your files. This is where you have to be careful of websites that aren't what they seem. It's a common misconception that the government sends these tablets directly. In reality, they are distributed by approved local telecommunications companies. You can use freetablet.apply.com to find a directory of these providers, along with updated 2026 guides for your specific zip code. Be wary of any site asking for a shipping fee or a credit card number. Legitimate providers do not require payment or use high-pressure tactics to get you to apply. Sticking to a verified directory is the best way to protect your personal information while you complete the process. Once your photos are clear, your details match, and you've found a verified provider link, your application is ready to be sent. After you submit, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation message or a tracking number, which typically indicates your application has been processed. Avoid submitting multiple applications to different companies, as this can delay the process. You can visit freetablet.apply.com to review the final checklist one last time before you submit. By taking the time to build a clean, accurate application, you're following the most effective path to securing your tech access in 2026.